Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to make email groups in Gmail. So to do that, we will need to use the browsing system. So open your browser and type Google Contacts and open the official website of Google Contacts and then log in to your Gmail account. So here from the list of your contacts, you need to basically select the contacts you want to include to your group email. Simply tap on it and mark it just like this. So okay, again I will mark them, and when you have selected all the contacts you want to include, you need to create basically a label. So tap this label icon and press create label and give a name to your label and press save button. So now we see that label created, and if you want to check it, go to your menu right here, and if you will scroll down, you will see scroll down because I have many of those labels, so you see that we have created the label. And now when you will compose an email, in the to field, when you write a new email, in the to field you need to type the name of the label that you have just created, so the group email, and choose the name of your email group, and then continue writing your email and send it as usually. That's all for me. That's how you can make email groups in Gmail. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.